In today's video, I'll unbox the ZhuAudio Z3 earphones. So let's begin. As you can see, they are in this black box. Now it does say a few things on the box, and they are in both Chinese and English. But I think that most of these things don't really matter that much. For me, personally, I just like when the sound quality is good enough for me to hear it, that it's good. But what I can see here is that they have built-in microphone. They also have lots of different data here. Let's just open it. There's the box, and inside of it we'll find some user manual in Chinese and English about disassembling, assembling. It also explains the ear tips that are included, because there's 10 ear tips included. Yeah, so let's get there. You can see there they are. But before I get to them, let's remove this accessory box and see what's inside. Inside we get this case that we can put our earphones in, and once I open it, I'll find all the ear tips. There are two foam ear tips that adjust to your ear canal shape to provide a better sound isolation. Then there are these bamboo rhyme stoppers, which aren't really for music listening. They will sound bad if you listen to music with them, but they are great to use as, for example, in-ear monitor. If you use the headphones as ear-in monitor, then you can put these on and they will let you hear individual instruments better. But the sound quality won't feel that good, so it's not for listening to music. Then there are these black balanced tips, which focus on the bass a little more, and the white ones, which focus on the highs and mids a bit more. Now, there's the case, of course, that you can put your earphones in, and some tips as well. Now let's get to the earphones themselves. Let's take them out. I don't have any ear tips pre-installed right now, so I'll install them in a moment. But this is what they look like. They have the over-ear hooks, which I'll test out in a moment. I'll try them on when I install an ear tip. Now you can see there's this cable which will provide a good quality and also feels very durable. And I got the mini jack 3.5mm version, but they're also available with USB-C. Now I'll pick the white plugs and I'll put them on, so let's do it. I typically use the medium size for earphones. It's not the easiest to put them on, to be honest, but I think you'll get used to it after some time. Okay, I got one. Also, after some time, they'll get a little looser, so it'll be easier to put them on. Unless you don't want to change them, of course. Now let's test it out. So here is the right one. I'll do the left one first. It's great to first hook it behind your ear and then insert it. And I can do the same with the other one. Okay, I think it looks good. Now, the sound quality I've already tested and it's wonderful. There's lots of things about these headphones that I would like you to see in the review of these headphones that I have recorded, so feel free to check it out. Now, one more thing that I'll do in this video is going to be removing the cable, because you can see how easy it is. To remove it, you just pull it, and then the cable is removed, so you can replace it or just use it separately. But don't get fooled, it's not like after unplugging the cable they become wireless. That's all in this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!